Hey everyone, Tommy with Seattle Boat Company here, and behind me is the Cobalt CS23 Surf. Let's go check it out. So as you enter on the transom of the CS23 Surf, you're greeted by a nice sun pad. This does have a nice flip up rear bolster. I have a little storage compartment right here. I've got my transom tow point for towing like inner tubers or water skiers right back here. As I enter into the boat on this side, on the starboard side, I do have my gas fill right here, 50-gallon fuel capacity in the boat. A nice step down, easy access, great storage on both sides. I've got cooler on the starboard side, batteries and battery switch on the port side, and then have a little bit of storage in here, as well as some ballast bags. Flipping open the engine compartment, our Volvo Penta engine, ballast bags, and a little bit of storage, but just keep in mind if you are filling up your ballast bags, that port side storage locker, don't put anything super heavy on that side, just light items such as life jackets, towels, things of that nature. On the port side, your observer seat backrest does flip back and forth. Just gives you your option if you want to lounge and face the action behind the boat, or if you want to sit forward when you're underway. Mirror, we usually mount this on the port side, so you can have a nice rear view mirror. Your helm seat right here at the helm, you do have a nice flip-up bolster in case you want to sit up. There's a couple of adjustments on the bottom side of the base. There's one that's going to allow you to swivel the seat, and there's another one that's going to allow you to move the seat fore and aft. Ski locker right here in the middle. When you don't have the ballast full, acts as great storage, but just keep in mind if you're filling up the boat with the ballast, if you do have anything in here, you're going to want to take that out and just store it up in the bow. So as you come into the bow, you do have this wind block door right here that pins into place. Just helps keep the wind out if you're cruising out in the evening time. Both backrests up in the bow lift up to give you access into the storage area. Seat compartments or seat cushions, on both sides also lift up, and then the bow cushion also lifts up as well for storage. And then last but not least, you have a little locker all the way up front for some storage as well. In these front backrest compartments is where you're going to find the bimini support pole. So if you want to deploy the bimini, you will need to come up here, get those two poles out so you can actually deploy the bimini. Thanks for checking out the Cobalt CS23 Surf with me today. Hope you learned a lot. We'll see you out on the water.